Today we're going to talk about the difference between rotation and revolution. So let's start with how these words are similar. When we're talking about rotation and revolution, they're similar because they both involve some kind of spinning. So if you look at the top two images, you can see Earth and Venus, and each one is rotating on its own axis. In the bottom image, you can see Earth revolving around the sun and the moon revolving around the Earth. So then what makes these words different is what the object spins around. So at the top, again, you have Earth and Venus. They're spinning on their own axis. But at the bottom, the Earth and the moon are spinning around another object in space. So that means if we're getting specific, rotation is when an object spins around an invisible axis. The planets in our solar system rotate, and the sun does too, although it rotates more like a fluid than a solid, but that's an entirely different lesson. Moving on to revolution, that's when one object spins around another object. All the planets in our solar system revolve around the sun, and all the planets in our solar system have moons revolving around them, except for Mercury and Venus, because they don't have moons. So, to review, although both words involve spinning, rotation is the act of spinning or turning around a central point or axis, whereas revolution is the movement of one object around another object.